My name is Panchi and she is Jia.
Hi.
Yes. Now, Jia, today we will learn about Earth. We will learn about?
I.
Very good. Let us see. Can you see those pictures of the Earth? Yes, let us see. What is the shape of the Earth? Please repeat after me. The shape
Shape
of
of
the Earth
the earth
is
is
round.
round.
Very good. Now, say the spelling of the round. Please tell me, R
I.
O
O.
U
U.
N
N.
D.
E.
Round. Very good, Gia. Now let us see. How is the earth made of? Answer. The earth
The earth
is
is
the earth made of
the earth made of
land,
land,
water,
water,
and
and
air.
air.
Yes, surrounded by air also. Okay, so let us see. What is that, Gia? It is land.
Land.
Very good. Now let us see the spelling of land. L
L.
A
A.
N
N.
D.
D.
Land.
Land.
Now let us see the spelling of water. W
W.
A
A.
T
D.
E
E.
R. Again repeat. W
W.
A
A.
T
D.
E
E.
R.
R.
Very good. Now let's see the spelling of air. A
A.
I
I.
R.
R.
Air.
Air.
Very good. So, do you know what is air? We cannot see the air. Yes, dear?
Yes.
So, what is air? Can you please show me? Can we see air? We cannot see air. Say that we cannot see air.
Yeah.
Very good. Wow, can you see this answer? It's good for you. Okay, let us see the question. What are the different parts of land on earth? Let us see the answer. The different
The different
parts of
parts of
land on earth
land on earth
are
are
plains,
plains,
hills,
hills,
mountainous,
mountains,
river,
rivers,
lakes,
lakes,
and
and
sea.
sea.
Okay, now let us see the pictures. Oh yeah, it is plain. Yeah. So there's the spelling of plain. P
P.
L
L.
A
A.
I
I.
N
N.
S.
S.
Please repeat like Gia. Okay. Okay. See. Let us again. P
P.
L
L.
A
A.
I
I.
N
N.
S.
S.
Plains,
Plains,
hills.
hills,
H
H.
I
I.
L
L.
L
L.
Y.
Y.
Hilly.
Double.
Okay, well, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay.
Another is called double.
Okay. M
N.
O
O.
U
U.
N
N.
T
D.
A
A.
I
I.
N
N.
O
O.
U
U.
S.
S.
So what is it? It is mountainous. Very good. Again, okay, let us see about the river. R
R
I
I
V
V
E
E
R.
R
River.
river
Let us see lakes and
and
seas. Do you see the lake there is very beautiful? Yes, yeah. Okay, let us see. L
L
A
A
K
A
E
E
S.
S
Lakes.
Lips
Okay, what is it? Is it C, Gia?
C
Yes, very good. S
S
E
E
A
A
S.
S
C. So what is it? It is C, yeah? Yeah, very good. Now let us see this. What is the taste of sea water? Yes? The taste
the taste
of
of
seawater
seawater
is
is
salty.
salty.
So can you see the salt here, students? Yes? Yes? Good. So let us say the spelling. S
S
A
A
L
N
T
E
Y.
Y
Okay, very good. Now repeat again. S
S
A
A
L
N
T
E
Y.
Y
Salty.
salty.
Oh, now let us see about. Tia, can you see that? That is Earth. What is it?
R
Okay, fill in the blanks. I will ask you one question. We live on
Media
the
the
dash.
dash
What is it?
the dash
What is it?
good
Yes, it is round, but what is it called?
now
Okay, it's called Earth. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Let us say the spelling E A
E
R
R
T
T
H.
H
Very good.
very good.
Earth. Again, can you please repeat it again, Gia? Say E
E
A
A
R
R
T H. Very good, Gia. Today you are doing so well. Wow. The B. The earth is the earth dash is round. The dash is round. Okay, sorry, I don't answer. The earth is round. Can you see the spelling of earth?
E A R T H
Very good, Gia. All of you clap for them. Okay, let us see again. Okay, the earth is round. So, you know the spelling of word? Yes, students? Very good. Now, let us see. Wow, Tia, let us see about this question, sir. The earth
the earth
is made of
made of
dash
dash
and
and
dash
dash
and
and
surrounded by dash. So, first dash is land. Yes, it's land. L
N
A
E
N
N
D.
D
Land.
N
And the second dash is water. Yeah. W
W
A
E
T E R.
E R
Very good. And it is surrounded by uh, air. Let us see the spelling of air. A
E
I
I
R.
R
Very good. Now we will read the full sentence. The earth is
the earth is
made of
made of
land
land
and
and
water.
water
and surrounded by air. Okay, students, now let us see the next question. Before that, I want to say to you something. Okay, some parts of the earth are hilly and dash, and some parts have lakes and lakes. Okay, what is it? Mountainous. M M O U N T A I N O U S. What is it? Mountainous. Very good. The first is mountainous. Yes? It's beautiful, no? Yes, very good. Now let us see. Some parks have dash and lakes. Let us see. River. R I V E R. River. Very good. Now let's see the next question. Oh, water in the sea is salty. Now let us see the spelling of sea. E A S. Oh, I think the S is not there because there is only one C. Means in the picture there is only one C. Yes? Very good. Now let us see till the full sentence. Water in the sea is salty. Wow! Very good. Now let us see. Okay, today I will meet you my friend. See, can you see? Who is it? Oh, he is Richie, yes? Hello, I'm Richie. Hello, friends. What did you learn from it? Hello, Gia. What did you learn from it? Oh, the artist round. It is a recap. Yes, Ricky, it is a recap. So, I want to say you that the earth is round. Yes? And the earth is made of land, water, and air. And the different types of land on the earth are plain, hilly, mountainous, and some rivers, lakes, and seas. Yes, this is a recap. Do you understand all? And the sea taste is salty. Yes, students? Yes. Now you know the all answers. So this is the recap. So please study well. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Everybody. Bye bye, students.